Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can reset our laptop. As you know that we have a sometime in virus in our laptop and we have to give to the service provider and it will charge us too much amount for reset the laptop and install the Windows. So today I will give the learning to you that how you can do it in a simple step in your home as well. So if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification because 82% of audience are watching our video but they did not subscribe the channel. If you will subscribe it, then I will get motivated and I will make the some enthusiastic session. So let's jump on the screen and start the session. So first of all you need to click on Windows tab key. Then you need to go to your settings over here. Then click on settings. Then you can select update and security option. Click on it. Now you need to select the recovery. As you can see, as I have clicked on recovery, the first option in front of us, reset the PC. If and the definition have been mentioned over there. If you want PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This let you choose to keep your personal file or remove them and then reinstall the Windows. So I will click on the get started. So this is the interface in front of you. There is a two options available in front of you. Keep my files, it's mean remove apps and settings. Keep your file, it means my personal file will be saved and rest of the things have been removed, apps have been removed and the rest of the all things have been removed. The second option is remove everything and the definition is remove all of your PC files, apps and settings. For this PC I am selecting the last option. So you can see the next option is how would you like to reinstall Windows. Cloud Windows or located reinstalling. So there is a two options, one against available. So I will check on the local reinstallation Windows for this device. So I will click on this. Now the option is available, you need to only just press the next button. Now the get things have been ready and now the option is available, we need to reset it. The preparing to reset the Windows and you can see the status bar is showing on the window that preparing is 7% right now. It will take some time. So we will come back in a moment because it right now it is resetting it. So it will take some time. So we are not recording that part of the video. So now the system is restarting because the 100% of reset the laptop has been done. Now my laptop is resetting the PC, which is right now 1%. So we will came back as it will completed the 100%. Now it's all about 98%. Now system become restart. Now it's preparing a new window. It will take time. So we will came back. If you see the bottom line, there is a message mention over here, your PC will restart several times. So you do not need to worry it. It will restart several times. So wait for it. Now the messages appear. Just a moment have been came, and now you can select your region and then press yes. Then I will press yes for keyboard, and then I will skip it because I do not want to need. Now this is connecting my Wi-Fi. I will connect it. It will asking the password. I will give it the password first. Now I need to press once again next. Now I need to press accept. Now I will press the setup for my personal use and click next. So it is asking about my email address. I am typing right now. I already mentioned the password and then press next. Then it is asking about the pin. I need to create a pin also in my new laptop. And then click OK. Now I will once again press the accept button. Then I will select for business use and accept it. Now this is I want to remind me later. I do not need it, so I will select no thanks. Now I will click on next. Once again I will click no thanks. And now I will select not now and click on it. Now you can see my new Windows have been installed and the system have been reset in Windows 10. This is the easiest way you can do it by yourself, and it will save lot of your money. One thing you need to remember it that I have removed my all files and data because I already take the backup of that. So first step, if you want to save your data, then you need to select the keep the file over there. So first option, always remember, if you did not have the backup data, you need to select keep the files. That is the main option which you need to select it. I hope that you will like this session and you like the video, and please like it, and thank you.